Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft hosted network virtual adapter missing in device manager of Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, firstly click on start, search device manager, open device manager. Now here click on view and check this box, show hidden devices, and find out your missing adapter. In case still you are facing problem, so try second method, click on start, then type settings and open settings. Now scroll down and click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here guys you will see network adapter. Click on run and follow the instruction which you see in this screen, and hopefully this will work and this will fix your problem. And still guys you are facing problem, so close it and try another method. Click on start, type services, open services, and find out in this list WLAN, auto config, this one WLAN auto config. Double click on it, starter type select automatic, and this service should be running. In case it's stopped, so make it start, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So like this guys, you can fix and resolve Microsoft hosted network virtual adapter missing in device manager of Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.